Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdechakour Sai, and I'm honored to have been chosen to be Siraat's vice captain. I am determined to surpass all expectations for this role and make 2019 a year to remember. I wholeheartedly believe in a cohesive environment in which students can excel on skills and concepts beyond their limits, unleashing their full potential. I want to promote Siraat's values by being the best role model, but also by becoming a representative of the Islamic tradition and its teachings. Over to you. Thank you so much. My position will give me the ability to connect the students' thoughts and concerns and become the bridge to the executive team, a connection that I believe will help elevate the student culture at Siraat College. With the position bestowed upon me, my skills and experiences will help benefit Siraat and its community. Finally, you will only be remembered by the legacy you leave behind. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.